All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the show. This is 96 miles per hour, and we've finally broken into the second hour of the show. It is a good 12 minutes past 7 on the clock right now. Today is the 14th of June, Monday being the day, and this is Radioactive 96 FM. Ladies and gentlemen, you guys can text in on 143. My name is Umar Butt, and today I have two very special guests with me from the Dow Medical College. We have Saqib and Ariba, and we are talking about Blood Donors Day. We've been talking about Blood Donors Day for the first hour of the show. Now we're going to get into the Patients Welfare Association a little bit, which, as you guys might know by now, was founded in 1979 by three students at Dow, and the most surprising part for me is, what they said. It started from a cabinet, cabinet of medicines, मतलब सोचो कोई कितनी होंगी यार, मतलब कितनी दवाइयाँ हो सकती हैं. From there, it is what it is now, and that's actually very commendable, very cool indeed. But I guess that's what, a little bit of resilience gets, I hope I used the right word. I tend to, use the wrong words at times just because I think they sound cool. So, don't mind that. But anyway, so let's just read out a couple of messages and then get into PWA. All right?
Yeah.
Okay, so somebody says, Salam Umar, kaise ho? I hope you're doing great. Yaar, abhi on kiya hai mama ke saath. Market gayi thi Faiza. All right, Faiza, thank you for texting in. And ladies and gentlemen, I want you guys' feedback as well, all right? I want you guys to text in 143 and tell us about the show, कि क्या कहते हैं आपको क्या समझ आ रहा है इससे what we're talking about today, and if this has sort of inspired you to go out there and donate blood voluntarily, or if you know a little bit more about this whole campaign now, text in 143, tell us what you understand from this, ताकि हमें भी लगे कि यार कि यहाँ पे हम लोग जो हैं यहाँ पे जिसके बारे में बात करें हम लोग अपना टाइम नहीं ज़ाया करें, आप लोगों को थोड़ी information provide करें. All right,
exactly. So even if people have questions from us, they can text, or they can even call us in our at PWA, and we can answer any questions they want. The number is 327-35214.
All right, so get your pens and pencils out. We're going to repeat that in a bizzle. I don't think they took it down right now, so it's going to take time for people to get out their pens and pencils. Let's talk about PWA now.
All right. PWA basically has 4 departments, along with supporting departments as well.
Right.
We've already introduced the blood bank.
Okay.
There's a drug bank, and we've already talked a bit about the drug bank as well, because we said that it started with a single cabinet of medicines. It's marshaled now a full-fledged pharmacy that caters to around 100 patients per day.
Very nice.
And it provides completely free of cost medicines to all the patients, whoever comes.
The best part about PWA is that all the medical services are provided completely free of cost to the poor patients of civil hospital. If you ever, any one of you ever visits civil hospital, you can judge yourselves that the patients who come there, they belong to the extremely low socioeconomic conditions. So they cannot even afford their meals, a 2-time meal. So let alone the heavy cost of medicines and treatment. So every facility provided at PWA is completely free of cost. As Ariba mentioned about the drug bank, then after drug bank we established our blood bank in 1982, mainly to discourage the professional blood donors who used to sell their blood, and they usually mostly belong to drug addict societies, and therefore they further spread the various diseases. So in order to discourage them, PWA established a blood bank in 1982. We are providing around 250 pints of blood daily to patients of civil hospital. As
well, 250 pints कितने लोगों को इस्तेमाल में आ जाता होगा?
Well, it varies. In some conditions,
on average, like a person who needs blood transfusion for, let's suppose, thalassemia, how many pints of blood?
A thalassemia usually requires blood transfusion twice a month.
Of how many pints?
1 pint.
1 pint. All right. So that's
1 pint means 1 blood bag.
1 blood bag. Okay, cool.
Yes.
So if you guys are, able to, produce what, 150 you said, or 200? 250 pints of blood every day. That's actually very, very nice. Cool. So
then after blood bank, we established our diagnostic laboratory in 1986. Where we provide basic hematological and biochemical tests, also completely free of cost. Around 300 tests every day. To around 100 patients of civil hospital. Then after the diagnostic lab,
we have the follow-up departments. There are 3 follow-up departments that we have. There's the tuberculosis follow-up, the general follow-up, and the thalassemia follow-up. Basically, as I've already mentioned this, that we have around 110 registered and 500 unregistered patients of thalassemia.
What is unregistered?
It means they're not registered with the department. So basically, the registered ones, we take every responsibility for their treatment.
Okay, so
right? So it's not just blood that they...
So if the unregistered ones find themselves out in the middle of the road someday, they're not your responsibility.
Oh, they definitely are too. But the thing is that we have limited resources as well, right?
Right now.
Okay, and on that note, I want to go a little ahead off the topic here because I'm going to talk about our thalassemia campaign.
Okay.
We're constructing our thalassemia daycare center.
Okay.
And what we're doing is sponsor a thalassemia campaign where a person can sponsor one particular patient. You know, all the treatment, because you don't just provide blood, you need to provide medications as well, life-saving injections that are very expensive. So for all that, I appeal to everybody that if somebody can afford to do that, please come forward and sponsor a thalassemic child, because you can save one person's life.
The cost of treatment for a single thalassemic patient is around 1 lakh rupees per year.
Okay.
So if you sponsor a thalassemia patient, you donate 1 lakh rupees per year. You can donate it monthly or on quarterly basis or yearly basis. And it includes all the basic facilities that they require, the diagnostic tests, the medicines, which include the iron chelating agents, plus the blood, of course, which is fully screened for various diseases, as I already mentioned.
Cool. So, all right, that having been said, we've got a commercial break right now, which is already about 3.5 minutes overdue, but that's all right. Since it's already overdue, I'm just going to read out a message that's coming for you, Ariba. तुम्हारी किसी ने तारीफ की, एक सेकंड मैंने मैसेज स्क्रीन को गलत टाइम पे रिफ्रेश कर दिया. We're going to read out that text and then we're going to move on to the commercial break. Meanwhile, आप लोग हमें मैसेज कर सकते हैं 143 पर. Let us know if you're getting something out of this show today, if आपको कुछ समझ में आ रहा है, you know, and if you are going to go out there and donate your blood next time around, do let us know, ताकि हमें भी लगे कि यार चलो ठीक है, किसी की जिंदगी में फर्क पड़ा. और पता है, I don't care कि बहुत सारे लोगों पे फर्क पड़े, कोई एक पे भी फर्क पड़ जाए तो I think कि हम लोगों ने अपना काम किया है, ठीक है, वो आगे अपना मैसेज पास ऑन करेगा. इसी तरह से एक चेन रिएक्शन होता है.
Together we can make a difference.
Absolutely. Hey Umar, love the show. I'm surely going to donate blood now. So go PWA, all right? I'm guessing this is someone from your organization, from your college. Okay, they go on to say, great job. P.S. Ariba's voice is so good. Tahrim from Karachi. I don't know if it's Tahrim or Tahrim. It's Tahrim, not W-E-M. So
that's Tahrim.
Tahrim, all right. Okay, cool. So that means you know her. All right. No, I'm just kidding. So we're going to be back after this commercial break. You guys stay tuned in. Messages, as always, on 143. And I've got a few more coming in over here, but we are sort of short on time. Alrighty, boys and girls, welcome back to 96 miles per hour right here on Radioactive 96 FM. Today is the 14th of June, Monday being the day, and we're going to be it is going to be 35 minutes past 7 in another couple of seconds. There we go. All right, so text messages on 143. Today we have two very special guests with us today, Ariba and Saqib, and they were talking so far. Abhi tak hum logon ne baat ki thi about World Blood Donor Day and about PWA, which is the Patients Welfare Association. As you guys said, that's a student-run organization of the Dow Medical College, and what you guys are basically doing is trying to provide services, health-related services, both pharmaceutical and blood-related, to the people that can't afford these services, right? So let's talk about the blood bank a little bit more. How is that functioning? How's that going?
Well, as I already mentioned, our blood bank is one of the largest voluntary blood banks working in Karachi. The special thing about our blood bank is that we provide fully screened blood completely free of cost. We do not charge any money for which we spend on the screening of the blood. The blood we provide is screened for, as I have already mentioned, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, HIV and VDRL. The people, one advantage of voluntary blood donation is that if God forbid any person's blood is positive for any of these diseases, we inform that person that we have tested your blood and this disease was positive in that, and you should now consult a doctor for your treatment. So it's a very good way. The voluntary blood donation is a good way of getting yourself diagnosed of any lethal diseases before they become symptomatic and before they go on into their complications. So this is one of the major advantages of voluntary blood donation.
So it's sort of like a checkup, a free checkup as well.
Yes.
For people that just want to see if they're all right or not.
Yeah.
Exactly. We were one of the pioneers who started screening for hepatitis C, and that is a big thing.
Of course, man.
Because that was, and we were one of the first people who did that, and that's and the most important thing, we take a responsibility for informing our donors that if they test positive for something, we call them up, we do counseling as well, and we let them know that they have this disease and they need to get treatment for that.
All right, cool. Okay, so basically, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be sort of retraining ourselves what we've been talking about earlier as well, because I know कोई मतलब कुछ लोग होते हैं जो अभी tune in किया होगा इन लोगों को तो नहीं उनको पता होगा. So we're going to be rephrasing the whole thing about PWA, and we're going to be telling you what PWA is doing and how you can also donate blood. And get your pens and pencils out if you want to write down the contact details for PWA. First, I'm going to read a couple of messages over here though. I think Hira Ahmed का मैसेज हम लोगों ने पढ़ लिया था. Then we got हमने ऑनर नहीं पढ़ा था. Okay, ठीक है. वो कहते हैं कि Sefi, you are doing great. You are doing great. Long live PWA. ऐसे लगा कि पार्टी है. PWA जिंदाबाद. अच्छा खैर. No, and I've come to know Sefi is Ariba's nickname.
Yes.
All right, Sefi. Okay, I would like to say thanks to them or to their whole team. These kinds of things are require guts, which they surely have. God bless them. But what do I do? My weight is 47 kilos. I can't donate blood, or can I? Hi now. So we've got a question from one of our listeners.
We've already answered that, I believe, but I'll do that again. Basically, yes, you need to be above 50 kilograms. So so I would advise gain weight. Get 3 more kg.
Yeah, but what about give or take a few kilos? That shouldn't make much of a difference.
Okay, whatever standards that we did discuss, these are for the safety of the donors only.
Okay.
Because we need to be careful about them as well. We need to take care of them as well. कि कोई अगर देता है blood and then ताकि उसको कोई problem ना. That's why we said that the person needs to be 18 to 60 years of age and has to have hemoglobin 12.5%.
Okay. All right.
And has to be 50 kilograms above, because वहाँ से फिर that's a safety level.
Okay.
You're not at any risk if you were above that weight. So I would advise, yes, you need to be above that.
Yeah, just gain a little bit of weight है ना. तुम जो है ना कुछ मतलब जानदार चीजें खाना शुरू करो, रान शान खाना शुरू कर दो. उससे थोड़ी जानवान बनेगी. खैर, we're gonna move into a song right now. ठीक है, once we're back from this, we're gonna talk about this a little bit more. But first, let's give you guys PWA's contact number. ठीक है, what was the number again?
Well, the number is 327 35214. I repeat, 327 35214.
35214. 327-35214.
Our email address is pwachk@yahoo.com.
Yahoo.com.
I repeat, pwachk@yahoo.com.
Okay.
You can either call us or email us if you have any queries or if you want.
And if you guys want more information, you guys can also check out the website, which is pwa-chk.com.pk.
.org.
Okay, .org. I'm sorry for that. So that's pwa-chk.org. Okay, so you guys check out the website. All right, get some more information about this, because it's good to always be informed. If you're informed, you're going to be better equipped to be able to donate blood. You're going to be able to know कि क्या हो क्या रहा है, procedure क्या है, ठीक है. So and जब red tapeism नहीं होती ना, तो eagerness लोगों की ज़्यादा बढ़ती है. जितनी ज़्यादा बात छुपा के रखते हैं ना लोग, यही होते हैं. इसी वजह से पता है most of the people are scared to donate blood, because उनको इतनी information नहीं होती. They're skeptical about it. So this is a very good thing, कि आप लोग आए और ये समझाया.
Plus, if you have you are in any emergency situation and you need blood, for that you can also call our number and ask, take necessary help in that way.
All right. So let's play the next song for Ariba. इन्होंने बोला था कि इनको Waving Flag सुना और किसी listener ने भी मांगा था. This is going to be Waving Flag by the young artists for Haiti. Check it out. We'll be back in a bizzle. Number text in 143.